there is a magic on this planet, it is in water. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. I, Ahavi, on behalf of Common Model Senior Secondary School, taking an initiative with my fellow friends, the consideration with the beautiful state that is Sikkim, to make you aware of Sikkim water bodies, its conservation, cleaning, sanitation. So, through a special assembly initiated by the students of class 1st and 2nd, keeping in mind the sustainable developmental goals of the protecting of our water bodies. We are going to proceed our event thought enthusiastic participation of my fellow friends in the form of Nukkad Natak Dance Square, documentaries of lakes or river and many more. My dear friends, let's start the documentary of Sikkim lakes and rivers, followed by SDGs goals to clean and sanitize water.
Tista River, it is a major river system in the state. It originates from a glacial lake, Chambuchu. During monsoon, June to September, the flow of the Tista Great Lakes due to monsoon rain.
Ganges River. It originates in the Himalayan mountain in West Sikkim district. It also forms the boundary between Sikkim and Darjeeling district. During its final few kilometers, it joins the Tista River at a confluence known as the Beni.
Rangpur River. It is a tributary of the Tista River. It forms the border between Sikkim and West Bengal state and Rangpur town. It flows mostly through East Sikkim and few parts of Darjeeling district of North Bengal.
Lajan River. It is one of the main tributaries of the Tista along with the Lajan River which rise on opposite side of the Donga range in neighboring Bhutan and converse in Chumtan in the North Sikkim district. Thank you.
Raleigh River, flowing near Karikom, is yet another river in the states of Sikkim and West Bengal called Raleigh River. Its main tributaries are Khami River and Pala River are junction with the Tista River. Macho Lake. Macho Lake is a mountain lake located on the way to Jalipla and it is a source of Rangpur River.
Ketchupleri Lake is located 147 km from Gangtok in West Sikkim. It is considered as a sacred lake.
Green Lake. The Green Lake located in the north of Sikkim at the base camp of Mount Kanchenjunga on the Zamu Glacier is known to be one of the most captivating of all tracks in the area. Katak Lake. This lake is small but beautiful. And yet another sacred lake located at Yaksam and West Sikkim and is connected to the concretion of the first king of Sikkim. Samiti Lake is an alpine glacier which is located in West Sikkim. Guru Dong Ma Lake. Guru Dong Ma Lake is one of the highest lakes in the world and in India. Located at an altitude of 17,800 feet in the Indian state of Sikkim. It is considered scared by Buddhists, Sikhs and Hindus. The lake is named after Guru Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, founder of Tibetan Buddhism. Or Changu Lake. Songwan Lake is also known as Changu Lake. It is a glacial lake in the East Sikkim. It is 40 km from the capital Gangtok. It is located at an elevation of 12,313 feet. My dear friends, there are some targets given by SDGs to clean and sanitize water. Let us give attention to these targets given by SDGs. The first target is achieve universal and equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water for all. Next target is support and strengthen the participation of local communities. The next target is substantially increasing water use efficiency across all the sectors. Next target is expand international international cooperation and capacity building support. The target is implement integrated water resource management at all the levels.
The next target is improve the qualities of water.
Next target is protect and restore water related ecosystem. Next target is achieve access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all. That's all with the SDGs targets. Thank you.
Sikkim Manpaija, Sikkim Janta Manpaija, Sikkim Manpaija, Sikkim Janta Manpaija. Ho malai Sikki kudara, para bahara Manpaija. Ho malai Sikki kudara, para bahara Manpaija. Sikkim Manpaija, Sikkim Janta Manpaija, Sikkim
aware to you regarding the goals of sustainable development is fulfilled. Saving water is not responsibility of only for you and me or for their sake any single individual. But on the contrary, saving water is a national cause and should be a common practice. To conclude, nine would just like to add that when you are thirsty, you do not search the any beverages and results. That itself is enough to explain why we need to conserve clean and sanitized water. I, Rudra, on behalf of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, would like to end with a note that let us be diligent and move ahead on the path of saving water. Thank you.